So hi everybody, we're going to talk about knot tying and tackle. Right now you should have a baggie in your kit with knot tying on it, and inside will be a paper clip. This is going to be our pretend hook. Pretend. And then of course you'll have some cord. Okay, so we're going to learn the Palomar knot. This is a knot specifically used for tying on hooks with monofilament line, which is fishing line, onto your tackle. And we're going to do it like this. You can actually put it through the eye two different ways. You can put it through like this, but I know that the eye of the hook is really small, so I generally do it like this. I'll put one end in, bring it through, and then I'll put it back through the eye, okay? Now I'm going to leave a little bit of tail here at the end. Okay, I'm going to bring my eye down because we need a loop here. There we go. And then we're going to create an overhand knot like this. And we're going to take the loop, we're going to put it through our knot. And then before we pull tight, if this is fishing line, you would take it and dip it in water. Because the friction when you pull fishing line tight causes it to weaken and break. Okay, so at this point we would put it in the water and wet it, and then we're going to take our loop over the end of the fishing hook, and now we're going to pull tight. Okay, good. So when we have a good Palomar knot, that means we have 1, 2, 3 layers to our knot. Fantastic. Hi everybody, now we're back to talk about our tackle. We did our knot tying earlier on our hook, which would be at the end of our tackle. And then once you do your knot tying and you tie on your hook 6 inches up, which usually is from my thumb to my longest finger, you can measure on your hand, you'll put your split shot sinker, or some people call them a weight. And then depending on the how deep or shallow the water you're fishing in is where you put your bobber. Okay, if you're fishing in water that's not very deep, you can put it here. If you're fishing in deeper water, you can even put it up higher. Okay, so it all depends on how deep your water is. It's where you put your sinker. Okay, but your hook and your sinker are 6 inches apart. All right, so in your kit we did a little mini tackle for you too. I didn't want you quite dealing with hooks without a parent supervision. So our paper clip is going to be our hook, and our hook is going to go on the end of the line first. Okay, we're going to just tie that on. We're not going to do a Palomar knot with this. I don't think we could. Okay, and then of course 6 inches up. Okay, we're not going to do quite 6 inches because I think we wind up out of our with no pop cleaner. We're going to put our weight, so it's going to go hook, our weight or sinker, and then our bobber. Okay, that's how you would do your setup for your tackle, and this is the stuff included in your kit. So this is how you're going to set up your tackle. And now you're ready to fish. Have a great time and go for it, go fishing.